Motorola's upcoming Edge series phone has just made headlines with a major leak that might change the mid-range game entirely. The Motorola Edge 60 has surfaced in full, thanks to newly revealed promotion materials shared by the ever-reliable Evan Blass, and what we're seeing is nothing short of impressive. While Motorola has already released the Edge 60 Fusion and the Edge 60 Stylus, this base model might actually end up being the most refined of the trio, delivering a polished experience that rivals some of Samsung's best mid-range contenders. Design-wise, it continues the premium aesthetics we've come to expect from Motorola. Think quad-curved POL displays, slim bezels, and a streamlined rear layout that's both sleek and futuristic. But don't be fooled by the pretty face. The internals pack a serious punch. According to the leak, the Edge 60 is expected to debut with Android 15 out of the box, featuring a 6.7-inch POL panel with a resolution of 1220 by 2712, ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and those gorgeous quad curves that elevate the viewing experience. Powering this device is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with a whopping 12 GB of RAM and a generous 512 GB of storage. Yes, you heard that right. This mid-range beast is going big on memory and performance. Camera lovers rejoice. The rear sports a 50MP main shooter featuring Sony's advanced Leica LYD 700C sensor, while the front camera is also an impressive 50MP, ideal for high-quality selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Battery life? Covered. The Edge 60 packs a massive 5,200 mAh cell with blazing fast 68W wired charging, which means more screen time, less downtime. Motorola has also added durability into mix with an MIL STD 810H rating, plus a solid 2-year warranty for extra peace of mind. This phone is clearly aiming to deliver flagship-level reliability at a friendlier price point. All signs point to a phone crafted for those who want it all. Premium design, top-tier cameras, solid performance, and all-day battery life, without shelling out flagship money. If the leaks are accurate, Motorola could officially unveil the Edge 60 on April 24th, likely alongside its upcoming Razr 60 series, positioning it as a traditional slab companion to its new foldables. The Edge 60 Fusion already proved Motorola could dominate this space with its smooth performance, bright display, and sleek, ergonomic build. And while the Fusion did skip on wireless charging and next-gen camera features, it still surprised everyone as a sleeper hit. Now, if the Edge 60 builds on that same foundation with upgraded imaging, stronger performance, and more feature-packed value, Motorola might just steal the spotlight again. Though we still don't know for sure whether this device will launch globally or be limited to select markets like the Fusion was. Either way, the Edge 60 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium mid-range space, and if priced right, it could give Samsung's Galaxy A series a real run for its money. The buzz is real. The expectations are high, and the launch date is just around the corner. So stay tuned, because if Motorola plays its cards right, the Edge 60 might just be the surprise hit of the year. For more updates, leaks, and deep dives into the latest in mobile tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, only on TechVerse.